your body, let me see you want to stop. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor, crank the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see ya. Want to stop? I love it when ya. Want to stop? Everybody want to stop. We about to get it on. It don't matter to me. We can dance slow, whichever way the beat. Drop our bodies with soul. So swing it over here, Mr. DJ, and we will rock you. It's a meditative, we can dance slow, whichever way the beat. Drop our bodies with soul. So swing it over here, Mr. DJ, and we will rock you. I'm rocking the beat.
You had a find out a great MC, but ain't got nothing on me. That's why I'm so proud for two. I wanna dance with you. I'm sophisticated fun. I am Louis John and I'm not some y'all, but believe we're number one.
Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Bring the party up. We about to get it on. Listen,
One, two, step.
I love it when
One,
you.
two, step.
Everybody,
One, two, step.
we about to get it on. Stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Bring the party up. We about to get it on. Listen,
One, two, step.
I love it when
One, two,
you.
step.
Everybody,
One, two, step.
we about to get it on.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Before anything else, please allow us to introduce ourselves. I am Isaki.
Isa man!
Hi, everybody. I'm Colleen po.
Coco!
Hello, everyone. I'm Bella. Hello po. I am Jaylu. Hi, guys. My name is Carrie. Thought you won't be one. Oh, and A. Hi. We are Una. Okay, so, una po sa lahat, ay bago po ang lahat, maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta and sa The Good Eats po for having us here. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Sa mga taong nanonood po ay kumakain dyan, sana po nag-enjoy po kayo and marami po kaming inihandang performances for you guys. And sa next performance po namin, sana po ay magustuhan niyo po. And tungkol po ito sa oras, sa mga mahalagang oras na kasama natin yung mga family, friends, and also mga fans, syempre.
And just to let you guys know, yung pinaka-first na performance po namin, that was our take on Want to Step by Ciara and Missy Elliott. I hope everyone is enjoying!
And sa mga first time po kami na makita ngayon,
First time.
hello po, we are Una, and we are the 5 new member girl group of Under Isla and Aguila Entertainment.
We launched soon. So guys, for our next performance po, this will be a cover of an SK19 song. And ayun nga po, it's gonna be about time that, alam mo yun, cherish every moment with your loved ones. Like, kung paano kayo nandito, super grateful po kami na kahit ano, meron pa pong mga galing sa ibang malayo, ganyan.
Grabe.
Dumayo talaga dito, so like, thank you guys. Thank you so
Thank you po.
Quezon City!
So ayun po, you guys ready? This is gonna be Time by SK19.
Roy in bed, numb and upset. The hands on a clock. I'm moving along and feels like I'm dead. But I'm here instead. Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I know I'm good. 'Cause one day Someday we'll run out of all of this is natural. No one's really in control, but we live a little cause we know when we vanish we don't really go. So I tryna run an extra mile, hoping for a sign. If there isn't one, then I'm leaving mine. And for those behind, taking doing fine. There's a reason that I try. Watching everything from the backseat, it's beautiful. But at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do. You've got nothing to lose. Not changing the striving for whatever cost. Feel like it's dying. But you never cease to live. Stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I know what it costs. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and be hard. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try. One day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and be hard. Darling, when push comes to shove, best is enough. It won't hurt to try. One day we'll run out of time. Again, race things I don't understand. Drench the low, but still lying to all I can. Where there's no reason in this world, so never ever walk away with souls that matter. 'Cause if I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day scattering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead the way for better days. Savor every moment we live, while we're here designing one day.
Time, memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control, and I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of
Time, memories will leave and be hard. Many things we can't control. I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and be hard. Darling, when push comes to shove, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of.
That was Time by SB19.
Ang ganda ng meaning ng song, no?
Yeah.
Napakinggan niyo na po ba yun before? Napakinggan niyo na po siya? Ang ganda ng meaning ng song. Isa po siya sa pinaka-favorite namin kantahin. Dahil nung nagsimula po kami mag-training, kinakanta na po namin talaga siya. So, very meaningful po for us. For una yung time.
And to perform it and share it with you guys, sobrang happy po kami. Sobrang tutuwa po kami na gusto niyo rin po yung rendition namin ng Time. And happy po kayo sa nagiging performance namin. So, thank you po.
Thank you so much po.
And sa mga nakaraan po, yung mga pumunta, ngayon nakikita rin natin sila. Dito sila, grabe. Thank you po! Woo! Sige nga, energy check. 1, 2, 3! Wow! Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan. One more. In 3, 2, 1! Gusto ko yan. Yun. Grabe yung sigaw. Parang meron ako narinig na parang, ah! Okay, hep hep! Hooray! Yun, nakakain na kayo na. Teka lang po, hep hep hooray po, hindi. Hep hep hooray. Hep hep hooray po. Isa pa po. Hep hep. Hep hep. Wow, pwede na mag-game show. Buti malinaw naman yung ano natin. Hep hep. Galing,
So
galing,
mukha
galing.
namang ready na sila, guys.
Okay.
Kaya ready na kayo.
Yes!
Sobrang exciting nung next song.
Yes.
So
Kasi for our next and last performance for tonight, this will be very special kasi this is our first song entitled
Darama!
And so to give you guys just a little hint kung anong meaning behind this song, Darama is a song about, ano ba? Kilig talaga eh, di ba?
Kilig siya.
It's about parang, alam niyo yung feeling po na pag na-achieve nyo na yung dreams nyo and everything, and then like, now you're here, now we're here.
Yeah.
Actually, makakonect nga rin po siya namin sa naging journey po namin. Literal na dreaming dreams coming
Yeah.
true talaga.
Sobrang excited po kami. Kinikilig kami kasi nandito kayo lahat. Pumunta kayo. Oh my God.
Yung Dharma po kasi is about, yung, alam mo yung, ang tagal mo lang gustong makahanap ng tao na makakasama mo.
Uy, uy.
Ay,
Uy.
tama naman Tama. Tayo yun. Oo. Tapos yung
Nahanap
naging
din
inspiration po talaga is yung girls, yung mismong members, yung mga tao sa paligid namin na tumutulong sa behind para maabot po namin kung ano yung tinatry namin abutin.
Yes.
Tapos katulad ng lyrics sa chorus, sabi niya, "Oh, when I see you, it's a dream come true." Kasi lahat naman ng mga pangarap natin, hindi na... Ay! Lahat ng mga pangarap natin, syempre lagi tayong may kasama para maabot yon. Hindi natin siya kayang abutin ng mag-isa lang.
Tama. Kaya, feel ko ready na sila. Feel ko gusto na lang mapakinggan yung
Yeah.
ating... Ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
You know.
Ready? Girls, ready na kayo?
Ready?
Let's
Always
go!
ready.
This is
Dharma!
First time ko maririnig.
First time.
Ikaw na darama, oh kakaiba Doon sa aking mata, talaga bang nahulog na? Bakit may kaba? Natataranta ba? Nagkakasama ka kahit na umiwas pa I know this feeling, but I can't explain it May bayang makikinig sa damdamin tumalapit siya In the voice, and never found your voice You keep me safe, and I can't explain But when I see you, it's a dream come true Hindi na nadarama, nadadarama But when I see you, change my point of view Hindi na nadarama, nadadarama But when I see you, baby, I'm with you Nadarama, nadadarama I'm there with you, know I stay with you See myself to do it again, pull me up and down Feel your own change, you got me out of phone and it's making me say better ba, hand this about it Look at you, wanna be with So look at you, mapatigil on me, I'm apart Let naman pa rin kita, paano na ba ikaw na darama
You're lost in the gas full. Of course, I'll let it show.
What you wanna do, what you wanna do No stopping, cause I know I can
Stay on your own now.
But then again, if it's you, I can't be got me to you I'm feeling blue, yeah, I take for you Only say I
Got
do
me looking like a berry, missing you like berry. Watch it sweet and scary, heartbeats like a berry. You looking like baby, just me off you lately. Got me spending lots and now I'm looking crazy.
Don't know what to tell you, I like you My feelings for you are just so true Di ko na itatanggi paano aaminin sa'yo Change my point of view Even na nadarama, una nadarama Oh, when I see you, baby, I'm with you Nadarama, una nadarama Wanna be with you, know you feel it too Una nadarama I know this feeling, but I can't explain it.
That was Dharma by
Una!
Isa pa!
Ayos pa. Feeling ko kayo naman yung next na magdadara. Di ba, Jules, gusto mo? Bella? Sorry guys, nasanay kasi kami sa Jules. Pero Jules kasi tawag namin sa kanya. Pero huwag kayong masanay ko kasi Bella na siya ngayon.
Di ba Bella, gusto mo silang ayain?
Yes guys, if you don't know Puyat yung dance ng Darama. Available siya like on TikTok. You can see it on TikTok. And if you do, please don't forget to tag us, syempre.
Nakikita po namin lahat ng mga gumagawa ng Darama Dance Challenge. Ang galing, di ba, guys?
Yeah, grabe. Ang dami na rin namin nakikita sa TikTok.
Sobra! And nakakatuwa pa kasi yung choreo po ng Darama, hindi siya madali. And
Hindi siya madali.
hindi siya madali. Pero sobrang amazing ng mga sumusuko kasi nakakaya nila. Ang galing.
Oo. Sobrang thankful kami sa talagang nag-e-effort mag-aral ng choreo. Kasi kahit nung kami tinuturo sa amin, medyo nahirapan talaga kami. So, salamat po sa mga nag-effort, aralin yung kanta. Pero may ituturo naman po kami sa inyong easier version next time.
Yes. Abangan
Nyo na lang po yan.
A-upload din po namin siya sa aming mga social media.
And sa mga ano po, mga gumagawa ng photo card, mga, ano ko na mga ano yun? Mga banner, grabe kayo! Grabe, thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you po!
Sa mga gumagawa po ng mga fan cam.
Grabe kayo! Ay, thank you po!
Maraming salamat sa mga nagpipicture, mga fan cam.
Grabe, ang bigat kaya ng mga camera dala-dala nila. Grabe. So, thank you so much po.
And sobrang laking ano siya, na-appreciate ko naman siya kasi yung mga hindi nakapunta live.
Yes, napapanood nila.
Sa ibang tao na mapanood yung performance na pinaprepare namin ng sobrang tagal. So, thank you po.
Thank you so much po. And also, nakaka-help po yun to promote us, promote Una. So, thank you so much. We appreciate it, guys.
Thank you so much.
And malapit na tayo mag 20k streams sa Spotify, guys! Guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapakinig po ng aming song, sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa amin, hello po ulit. We are Una, spelled O-O-N-A. So, search nyo na lang po kami and yung kanta po namin ay nasa lahat na po ng mga music platforms. So, pakinggan nyo na lang din po. Thank you!
And soon po magkakaroon din po kami ng music video. And excited na po kami ipakita sa inyo kasi nag-enjoy po kami na gawin siya. And sana po mag-enjoy din kayo na panoorin.
Excited rin kami! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Saan ka excited? Secret.
Sa lahat.
Secret daw po.
Secret.
Pero madami po kaming pinaprepare para sa inyong lahat.
And for more details po and updates, you can follow our Instagram or social media accounts at una.official_. Yes po, so maraming salamat po ulit sa inyo. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming mga performances. And mamimigay po kami ng free food stub. So stay tuned po. Thank you so much po ulit.
Thank you po.
Let's take pictures po after this. So thank you. Thank you again.
Once again, clap to 1B1.
Oh, and A. Thank you po.